Hi, this is Savva, Technical Director of CallU, and today I'm going to talk to you about the CallU stress-free installation process. So you have a hot, uncomfortable apartment, you've made contact with us, we've come along, discussed your options, and you want to proceed, but you've got that little apprehension about, hey, hold on guys, my apartment's beautifully fitted out, I had a refurbishment a few years ago, or you've just had one, and you're really concerned with how much damage will there be and how much disruption, and will it cost me a fortune to make the place look nice again? You do not have to worry. This is our speciality. This is what we do day in, day out. Our guys are trained in working in beautifully finished apartments, and you'll be surprised how we do everything, and 99.9% of the time you have absolutely nothing to do after we've left, and all you're left with is a beautiful air conditioning system that will cool your apartment perfectly. Typically, the condenser, the engine part of the system, is located in a discrete location, like under a kitchen counter, kitchen cabinet, in a utility cupboard, in a boiler room, beside a washing machine, somewhere where you don't see it and you wouldn't even know it's there. The units that blow out the cold air, which are in the room that's going to be air conditioned, is up high, out the way. We then connect between the two over your ceilings. So we utilise the void in the ceilings and go over the top so you see nothing. There's no unattractive boxing in or major works to be done by you. So we leave your property in exactly the same way as when we arrived. Typically this process, installing in one room, two or even three, will take us just one single day. A lot of our clients like to be there, then that's fine with us, but a lot of them will just simply give us the keys, go off to work, and by the time they've come back in the evening, all the works are done. So if you'd like any more information on what I've just said and this fantastic process, please do visit our website or give us a call on the number below.